Focus question for January 4th, 2021. Megan was given the following set of data from the teacher about the amount of siblings each student had in her class. Find the mode of the given data. So when I think of mode, I think of most. Most. So mode is going to be the most. What number do you see the most? What I like to do is I like to put them in order. So I have a 1. Do I have a 2? No, a 3, a 4. I have another 4. I have a 5. And I have a 6. So all I did was put them in order. Now, what number do we see the most? What number is there the most of? There's only one 1. Oh, here's 2 4s. So our mode is going to be 4. The mode is 4. So all you have to do there is type in that 4, and that is literally it. Great job.